Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Social Security benefits from electronic deposit account changes, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw Social Security benefits when changing your electronic deposit account, begin by gathering your personal information. You will need your Social Security number, along with your new bank account details. Next, access the Social Security Administration's official website. Locate the My Social Security section on the homepage. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefits section. Select Change Direct Deposit from the available options. Carefully input your new bank details in the required fields. Double-check to ensure all information is entered accurately. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the changes. If you encounter any issues, consider calling the Social Security Administration directly. The customer service representatives are available to assist you with any problems. Alternatively, you can visit your local Social Security office for in-person support. Be prepared to provide your identification and necessary documents if visiting in person. After submitting your changes, wait for a confirmation notification. This notification will confirm that your direct deposit information has been successfully updated. Typically, changes take effect on the next payment date, so monitor your bank account. If you notice any discrepancies, reach out to the Social Security Administration immediately. Keep a record of any correspondence and confirmations for future reference. This completes your guide on how to withdraw Social Security benefits from electronic deposit account changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.